Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Podia earnings to US bank account, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from Podia to your US bank account, start by logging into your Podia account. Navigate to the dashboard on the main page. Look for the Finances tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the Finances tab to open your earnings overview. In the Finances section, locate the Withdraw button. Click on the Withdraw button to begin the withdrawal process. You will be presented with your current earnings and withdrawal options. Select the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that your bank account information is correctly set up. If you haven't added your bank account, click on the Payment Methods section. Enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Double-check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Once your bank account is set up, return to the withdrawal screen. Confirm the amount to withdraw and select your bank account. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal. After confirming all details, click on the Submit button to finalize your withdrawal. You will receive a notification confirming that your withdrawal request has been processed. Be aware that it may take several business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Check your bank account regularly for the deposit. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Podia's support team for assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal process from Podia to your US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.